Hello dear viewers, wherever you are watching this video, my name is Sheyi Dairo. So today in this video now I want to show you guys a practical guide on how to fill Google Adsense Tax Form as a non-US person. Let me say YouTube Adsense Tax Form as a non-US person. Either you're from Nigeria, you're from Ghana, or any part of African countries. Just if you are not from US, how to fill Google Adsense Form. And this is something that used to scare many people because they don't know what to do when they get to this kind of situation. So right now I want to show you practically how I will do it using my own Google Adsense accounts now. So all I want you to do is just to give me your full attention. But before we go, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, I want you to just smash this subscribe button below as you're seeing it. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn up the bell, select all, and give me a like on this video. Leave your comments, let me know what you feel about this, and feel free to share my videos to your loved one. This might save a friend. So let me just quickly take you there and show you how I will fill my own practically using my mobile phone. Thank you. Let's go. So right now I want to show you guys how to fill and submit the tax form for your Google Adsense account. As you can see, this is my own app, and practically I want to use my own app to show you how to do this, so as to help people that maybe scaring on how to handle this situation. And if you're very new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn up the bell. And select all. You click on all so that you'll be notified every time I drop video on this my YouTube channel. And do not forget to give me a like on this video. Then leave your comment, let me know what you feel about this. Then do not forget to share my video to your loved ones. Alright, so let's go back to the business of the day on how to fill the tax form, especially if you're from Africa countries. Here I am from Nigeria, so I want to show you how I'll do my own now. So the first thing to do is I'll click on this add tax info. Now I say before you start, plan on taking 15 to 20 minutes to keep your account secure. We need to verify it's you. After 1 hour, we may need you to verify again. And information you already enter won't be saved. Use the correct payment profile for the payee, providing tax information to Google. The tax form will need to be signed by the payee or someone authorized to sign as the payee's representative or agent. You may be asked to provide additional tax documents after completing the form. Google can't advise you on tax matters. For help with your tax situation, consult your tax advisor. So now to start now click on start tax form. Here now click on this. So now I need to enter my password. So the first one is I'll put individual here. That's from I'll put individual. So individual, next. Are you a citizen or resident of the United States? No. I'm not a citizen or resident of the United States. No. I'll click next. Select W8 tax form type. Based on your previously selected answer, a W8 form is needed. W8, then this form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and will also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. W8CI, this form is most commonly used by the non-user business. Okay, I'll go for this one. Okay, so I'll go for the first one. So I'll click on start W8 BEN form. All right, next one is Okay, the name is okay. DBA, doing business, optional. Country, region of citizen. I'll click on this country, region of citizen. I'll put my country there, Nigeria. All right. Taxpayer identification number. A taxpayer identification number 10 is a tax processing number required by the IRS for some tax form. If you are claiming tax treaty, you are required to provide either a foreign TIN or a US TIN. So these are optional, so I will leave it like this. It's optional, so I'll click on next. Address, permanent resident address, permanent. Okay, address is a PO box, or you will be required somewhere. All right, I'll tick this. All right, Nigeria, then street address. Now I have filled everything out and I tick this place. Do not forget that permanent residence address is a PO box or in care of address. You will be required to submit additional documentation. A PO box, post office box, postal box is a lucky box with its own number or other unique address identifier, physically located at the post office station. So I put it like this. And at the bottom side, I tick this one. Say mailing address is same as permanent residence address. So then I click on next. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Okay, no. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? A US has income tax treaties with many foreign countries. Under this treaty, certain residents may be eligible to pay a lower US tax rate or not pay US tax at all on some types of income from source within the US. So, okay, no. Now I'll click on next now. Great. Then the next one is this is how your document will be generated based on your provided information. If you selected multiple income types, more than one form will be generated. Documents are generated in English to comply with the IRS, the US tax authority. Your tax form. Okay, I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax form to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. So let me check it first to see. I think I'll click on this place now to check this form first. Yes, open with PDF. So just to go through my information provided, if it's okay by me. So I have to go through this now. So now when check and I'm okay with the information provided, then the next thing is to click here to confirm. I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. So then I'll click on next here. So full legal name, I'll put it here. I'll put the full legal name there. Next thing now is, are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes, I'm the person listed in the signature section, and I'm completing this form on my own behalf. No, I'm signing on behalf of people. No. So I'll go for this first one. Yes, I am the person listed in the signature section, and I'm completing this form on my own behalf. So then I'll click on next. Then here, activities and service performed in US and affidavit. Look at this one. Activities and activities and service performed in the US. Now they're asking, US activities and services are the performance of a service in the US. This can include having employees in the US or using equipment in the US to provide a service. Please note, this generally does not include when a US person visits a website or views a video from within the US. Now back to the question, as the individual or entity identifying in the task identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US? No. I certify the service provided to Google or its affiliate will be performed solely outside the US, and that any labor or capital, including facility or other tools used to provide such service, will be physically located outside the US. Yeah, okay. Status change affidavit. Are you providing tax info for a new or existing payment provider that hasn't received payment, or an existing payment provider has previously received payments? I'm providing tax info for a new or existing payment provider that haven't received payments. All right. Then I'll click on next. Aspects, go paperless, like tax report, setting of your tax report. So the behavior option now, go paperless is recommended. I think it's okay like this. Then I'll click on submit. Okay, sorry, I need to tick this place now. I need to tick this before submit. I agree. Paperless delivery agreement. So then submit. Wow. Now approved. Now see my status now. It's now approved. Look at it. Now approved. So this is just how to do it. It's just so simple. I think you see the way I did it now. So don't let this one scare you away running around on how to do this. But do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn off the bell. Give a like on this video, leave your comments. I really appreciate you guys. Love you. Bye for now.